Hello everyone, I am Sagarika Chadawar and I am currently pursuing User Experience Design from MIT WPU Pune, and I'll be going in my fourth year. So you're thinking, why am I here? I am here to share some of my early college days, experiences and learning which I think are very beneficial to everyone out there, and everyone should know these. So, starting with, we always have this thing that I have chosen this degree, and what if I don't end up liking this degree? So, you don't have to worry about it. You can always switch from what you have started and where you go. Life is all about exploring, and explore as much as you want. Even within design, because design is a very multidisciplinary field. I am currently pursuing user experience, but I can always switch from user experience to graphic or communication design. And believe me, it's not going to be easy, but it's not that hard. So always keep exploring and find out what gets you the thrill to go ahead, the thrill to do better. And if that thing makes you excited and happy, that is something you should choose for. Secondly, what I feel is, when we are in our college life, we are new to a lot of things. We are new to the sense of freedom. We are new to the things which are happening around us. There are a lot of exploration going on, and there's again peer pressure too. In all these things, it is very important to be disciplined. Not just about time. You should be disciplined about what you eat, what you see, what you hear, what you listen to, and definitely it will help you to maintain your sanity. I am not saying don't have fun. Have as much fun as you want, because college days are the days which are never gonna come back, and we have heard this from every single person. So have fun, go crazy, but at the same time, remember what you are here for. Always have one eye on your aim. Never lose sight of it. Secondly, what I feel is, when there's something new, any competition or any activity or event which is going on, we are a bit hesitant to take part in it, saying, what if I am not good enough, or what if I fail, or what if people laugh at me? So please do not think about this. Take part in every competition, every event, every activity. You never know where these things lead to, and this is what creates the foundation. If you don't take the first step, you'll never climb the entire staircase, let's say. So take part in whatever competition you come across without thinking about the result, because believe me, the result is not as important as the experiences. Then what I feel is, students are not as interactive with their faculty, or obviously with their mentors. I think we should talk and interact with our faculty as much as possible, because they have experience. Obviously, they have been in the industry and they've been teaching from years. So they give us such insights, and they introduce us to such things which we might never think of, or which we think never exist, and it opens your mind. It just hits you like boom. So always interact with them, and do not be afraid to talk to them about what they might think, or if I'm bothering them, or how it might affect me. No, believe me, teachers love when their students approach them. They feel that yes, they are creating an impact. They are here. They want to create an impact. That's why they have chosen teaching, and they can see that my teaching is being beneficial to at least one kid. So always talk to them, because you have no idea what opportunities they might create for you. After that, interact with every student in your class. We are People are generally picky. They're like, I don't like this person, or I don't want to talk to. But do not do that. Talk to everyone. You don't have to go and like chit chat and gossip. Just go, smile, say hi, how are you? Know them as who they are, know them as your classmate, because these things lead to a very long term, let's say, just it plays a very good role in short term and long term also, because you never know whom you might cross paths with again in life. So talk to everyone. Do not be very choosy, or do not only stick to your circle, because you have something to learn from each and everyone out there. They have something which you know, and you have something which they might not know, and then this exchange of interaction, exchange of knowledge is like the best thing out there. Lastly, what I feel is very important is, this is something I myself practice. Like, all the things are something I practice, but this is something I stick to. So dress up for college. Get ready for college as much as possible. For guys, groom your hair, groom your beard. For girls, wear earrings, wear mascara or whatever you want. Walk like you're just going to like you're going on the runway. Because if you dress up properly in the morning, it will give you the zeal, the zest, the energy to continue for the day. And it gives you a sense of excitement of the uncertainty which lies in front of you. Imagine, I see so many students like just walking up in shabby clothes, and they've not slept properly, and they're all gloomy in class. I mean, I wouldn't want to sit in such environments. So always dress up, look your best, and just rock the day with a smile. And that's all. Just have as much fun, and as much as fun you want in your college days, because these are the days you'll never forget, and we would cherish to we would want to live them again. So which is not possible. So make the most out of it. Bye.